So last week I bought this Typhoon paint mixer, and it really does the job. You know, all you gotta do is just like just touch it to it, and it mixes it, right? So anyway, I've got this paint that I bought last year. It's antique paint. It's raw. It's Testor's 25R, right? It's there's the labels. The labels all fell off of them. Anyway, Roth Custom Colors. This is certified yellow. Now, this paint is every bit of 50 years old, and as you can see, it's just all clumped up and stuff, right? All right, I put it up here, and it takes a while because, you know, it's been setting for 50 years, but as you can see, though, it's doing a pretty good job of mixing it. Now, I can probably stand to go a little bit more, but you can see the job this thing does, man. It's here, let me get that out of the way, the label. But these Typhoon paint mixers are something else, man. This is the base model. This is the cheapest model that he sells, and yeah, that's what that paint looked like to start with, right? And no longer than I took it to that right there. So I mean, the results speak for themselves, man. I'll probably shoot that paint here shortly. I've got something I'm going to put it on. It's certified yellow, and you know, like I said, it's 50-year-old paint. There's a price tag on it, but anyway, I just thought other people might like to know how good these mixers are. Well worth the investment if you do a lot of painting. All right, thanks, and you have a good day.